Try to peel the other side in hopes. See, this is Hey y'all, so today we're going to be talking about the Ankara fabric and this very annoying sticker issue that we face when we want to use the fabric, but we just can't get this part off, which you end up either just getting rid of it or messing up your fabric. So here we go. First step, let's try to peel it so you guys can just see what I'm talking about. Do you see this? When you peel this fabric, you are going to get the residue, okay? And just to top it off, let's try to peel the other side in hopes. See, this is okay, so this is already a mess, y'all. So look, when you just peel it outright, it's not always going to be the best situation. You might get some of this residue here. You might get some of this leftover. And this thing right here, once it starts peeling like this, it's the hardest thing to deal with. So we're just going to toss this to the side. Okay, perfect. So now we have some new fabric, nice and fresh, beautiful green fabric. So we're going to use this instead to show you what you should be doing instead to get rid of this sticky material. So get your paper towel. You're going to bring your iron and you're going to put some heat on that bad boy. Okay, so put that pressure, put that heat, and just steam away. So steam, steam, steam. Keep going. Get a lot of heat on it because we want that sticker to come up with little to no residue. So just keep steaming. Keep going, keep going. And obviously you can use whatever kind of iron you have. Just make sure the iron gets really, really hot. This iron is a little bit on the cheaper side, so we're doing the most with the steaming, but you get the point. So we want to see some steam, and then you are going to peel that off nice and slow. And check that out, you guys. Very, very smooth. And make sure you definitely dispose of that paper because that paper is sticky. So it is going to get on whatever you put it on and leave residue. So make sure you just fold that into each other for ease of use. And then we're going to go ahead and iron on that spot again with that paper. That way we can just wipe off whatever is left, okay? And we're gonna do this again because this fabric has two stickers, which can be very annoying because you think you're done with one and here goes another. But here is just another example for you of what we did. So we steamed this. You can see the iron is putting in work. We are steaming away. Steam, 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 steam. Get all that good stuff out there. Okay, so we're just having too much fun with this, but go ahead and peel off. And this time, oh, this one is like butter. Yep, that's some good work right there. Fold it, put it away, and grab that handy dandy paper, tissue paper, and iron that nice and steamy again. Once you're done ironing that, you can touch it and you can really get the verification of which residue is left and how much, just a little ironing you want to do to make it nice and clean. We want it to be flush and nice. Perfect. Just getting that last steam out there. And I mean, this is easy, you guys. Like, instead of stressing yourself out, crying, wondering what you're going to do because you just lost a whole yard of fabric. This is what you do, you guys. Just steam it off, use your tissue paper, wipe it off, and you are good to go, my friend. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.